Hi there, this is Chris Newmarker. I'm the executive editor of Mass Device, the online news journal for the medical device industry. It's Friday, April 16th. We're going to go through the Newmarkers Newsmakers, the top 5 medtech news stories on Mass Device this week. Number 5 on the list, we've got yet another special purpose acquisition company deal. In this case, we've got Vicarious Surgical, a big pioneer in the robotic surgery space. They're going to be going public in a $1.1 billion SPAC deal. When this is all done, they're going to be trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol RBOT. And the deal is taking place through a merger with a Hong Kong-based SPAC called D8 Holdings. The company's co-founder president is actually a major private equity figure around Hong Kong, and an extra interesting fact: their CEO is actually the founder of Nautica. Number 4 on the list, we've got a report in the Wall Street Journal that Medline Industries is looking for a buyer, and if this is true, it could be a deal worth $30 billion. Medline is privately owned, but they're actually one of the largest medical device companies in the world. So this will just be another. We've just seen a whole string of really big M&A deals in the space over the past decade. We're actually seeing a lot of M&A deals as we hopefully get out of the COVID-19 pandemic. And if this is true, it's going to be another really large deal in the space. And Medline, declined to comment on the WSJ report. Well, number 3 on the list, we've got yet another acquisition. In this case, we've got Endologix buying a PQ Bypass for an undisclosed amount. And PQ Bypass, they've got a breakthrough device designation from FDA, which is meant to kind of speed the authorization of potentially innovative technologies. There's also reimbursement benefits with Medicare for these types of devices as well if you get approval. But their device is the Detour platform. It's designed. It's designed to provide a large lumen endograft bypass to treat abdominal aortic aneurysm. Number 2 on the list, we've got Zold Medical acquiring Respicardia for an undisclosed amount. And Respicardia makes implantable neurostimulators that are meant to treat severe central sleep apnea. So just another big another acquisition in the space. And number 1 on the list, surprise, we got another M&A deal. We've got Siemens Healthineers closing its acquisition of Varian Medical Systems. And this is a $16.4 billion deal, and the companies have touted this in the past as as a deal that's going to be creating what they describe as the most comprehensive cancer care portfolio in the industry. So the Siemens Healthineers Varian deal is done. It almost seems that we've been seeing so many M&As in recent years because of the fact that we're seeing health providers trying to become more efficient. There's a lot of consolidation going on there, and medical device companies, it seems, are merging as well in order to better provide services for these ever larger health providers here in the U.S. and a lot of other factors behind it as well. Anyway, those are the top 5 medtech news stories on Mass Device this week. If you'd like to hear me discuss them more, check out our Device Talks Weekly podcast that should be posting in coming days. And just a reminder, we're on social media. Mass Device is on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. So follow, subscribe. And for all things medical device, go to massdevice.com. Thanks a lot. Have a good weekend and get vaccinated soon.